In this screencast, we'll be using our graphics calculator to have a look at how we can manipulate fractions. The buttons that we're mainly going to focus on is this button here, and which has got A, B over C, which is like a whole number and then the fraction bit, and also F to D, which is a conversion button that allows you to go from fractions to decimals. Let's have a quick look though. If we wanted to enter the fraction 3/5, then we'd hit 3 and then the ABC button, and you can see instead of it actually doing a fraction line, it's actually got a bit of a right angle there, but that's the way that the calculator indicates a fraction line, and then fifths. So that's what the display on the screen will look like, and EXE will just rewrite it. Look, however, when we enter 4/8, if you do 4 ABC 8, you should know that that fraction can be simplified, but notice when you press EXE, the calculator automatically simplifies the fraction for you. Also, if we wanted to enter a fraction bigger than 1, such as 3 1/4, we'd go 3, ABC, 1, and then we'd hit the ABC button again, and then 4. So the way that you interpret a display like that is 3 1/4. Again, when we hit EXE, notice that the calculator has changed the display on the left, where it's a mixed number, to on the right, it's an improper fraction, which can be very handy for us. Now, with that in our calculator at the moment, let's just hit the button F to D, which should convert a fraction to a decimal. And by hitting that button, I hope you notice that the fraction here changed to a decimal, 3.25. Without pressing anything else, if I just go straight back to that button and hit it again, it will change back to a fraction. So just repeatedly hitting this button changes between fractions and decimals. A very handy thing for us to be able to do. Let's clear that screen. In order to add fractions, we can just simply go, for example, 2/5 plus 1/6. We would go 2 ABC 5, that's 2/5, plus 1 ABC 6, and then press equals or EXE, and again the calculator does all the thinking for us and works out the answer. And notice naturally the first fraction is in fifths, the second fraction is in sixths. The calculator has worked out all of this common denominator stuff that we need to work out. Similarly, adding mixed numbers can be done very easily, like 3 1/4 plus 2 1/2. So we'd go 3, ABC 1, ABC 4 is 3 1/4 plus 2 1/2, 2, ABC 1, ABC 2, 3 1/4 plus 2 1/2, EXE, and we get the answer again as an improper fraction. So that's some of the capabilities of the fraction components of the graphics calculator.